So I'm gonna do this quick little review. Can't say unboxing because I already unboxed it, but this is the model number. This is a VTech cordless phone with speakerphone. The reason why I stress that is because I wanted to make sure I had a speakerphone. Now sometimes the pictures don't really tell at all, so you can't see exactly what's on it. Sometimes the description is vague or inaccurate, so this is it right here. So you can read the description. Pause the video, I went too quick. But this is basically it. Now you can connect multiple handsets to it. This is just one though. This is the model number. Now they had it in red and I forgot the other color. These are the molds you have. So this is the actual phone itself. It does have a pager, so you can program a voicemail number in here. You hold that button down, and I don't have anything saved, so but it's asked for the voicemail number. But that's if you want to get to voicemail. A lot of people usually you ring your own number, and it would go to the voicemail automatically. So you can put your own number in there, and I think that's what I will do. So yeah, program the time, the date. To fix it a little bit. Speakers in the back. So that's pretty much it. This is the intercom, but it says you need another handset. That's what led me to believe you could connect multiple units to one. And that's it. Pretty simple, decent. The blue's pretty bright, as you can see. Alright. And if it's in use, they have a light that tells you it's in use. As far as ringers, they had a couple of ringer sounds. Ring volume tone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.